Very important. Very important to find that emotional connection. Do you think Nepal people are too humble?
Yes, I do.
I wonder if that's part of what holds them back on that storytelling. You know, as a Canadian, maybe I'm the same way. We're a little more too humble. Mm-hmm. And maybe we got to get that story out there, and we got to create some magic of that story. Maybe we can still be humble in our lives, but maybe we got to be less humble as we project that story to the world. Mm-hmm. And maybe that's what, you know, I hope Canadians can do that. The Americans do that very well. But maybe that's where you can get, you know, creating this magical emotional story. Mm-hmm. And being a little less humble might be part of what you need to get to.